Hey there, YouTube friends. We have a little bit of a situation here. We had torrential rains the other night, and I must have a leak in the roof someplace because my bathroom ceiling is wet. Now, leaks are sometimes hard to find, but I was able to find out where this leak was. Now, we have the exhaust fan right there, but the actual exhaust vent on the roof isn't above that. It's actually above that wall right where the leak is, and I'll go into the attic right now and I'll show you. That's the actual bathroom exhaust fan, and if we follow the exhaust tube, you can see that it's about 3 or 4 feet away from the fan itself, and that's where it vents out of the roof. Now, evidently the leak is around the vent in the roof. You can see I have that blue bucket underneath to catch the water. So the plan is to get on the roof, see if I could seal around the vent and see if that does the trick. So I'll fetch that bucket of water now, I'll empty it, I'll put it back dry, and next time it rains heavy, we'll see if that repair job that I do does the trick. Here's all the water the bucket caught. I'll just empty that out, and I'll put it back for next time to see if the repair holds up. Okay, now let me show you what I'll be using to attempt to do this fix. I bought a whisk broom for about $4. That's to sweep away any debris we have up there. It's going to be messy, so I got some latex gloves. They're about $2 a package. This is the actual sealant I'll be using. I got that at Lowe's. It was about $14. It's kind of like a tar. And I have a spackle knife to apply it and a flathead screwdriver to open up the can once I'm on the roof. Okay, that's where the vent is. I'm actually doing this at sunset because it's cooler. So I got about an hour left. Okay, so I'm up on the roof. I'm going to try sealing the back of it, around the sides, into the front. See, it's lifting up a little bit over here. But somewhere there's water getting in. So we're just going to try to seal it up. I'm just going to use my broom, dust away any debris. So the sealant sticks. Put a little bit on my putty knife. And I'm going to work from the back, and then we'll move to the front of the vent. So I want to work it in to try to prevent water from getting anywhere in here. Okay, now I noticed I had some loose nails over here that were coming up. So I'm going to drive some new nails in. I put a little tar underneath. So hopefully we'll get a nice seal. I'll put more tar on when I'm done. And we'll just tar the front of it. Okay, I sealed all around it, so now we just wait for the next rain and see if that did the trick. It's really coming down now, so I'll go up in the attic and see if we have any leak. So far so good, I don't see any drips, but we'll wait until the storm is over, and then I'll get up there and I'll check the bucket. Alright, storm's over, so I'm up in the attic. I'm going to check the bucket. A little nervous. I hope this worked. Let's see. Alright, the bucket is dry. So we'll call the repair fixed. I'll leave the bucket up here for the time being, just in case. I'll check it again. If you found this video useful, please give a thumbs up, please subscribe, and happy home repair. I'll catch you next time.